Hi, welcome to this quick video that's mini. This video came an idea that I came up with because using a Raspberry Pi to emulate a range of arcade and computer games from the past. Actually owned a ZX81, then a Spectrum 48K, even had a little flirtation with a Dragon 32. But obviously once the Amiga 500 came on the marketplace, I actually purchased one right now that the new Mini has arrived. Having for quite a few operation systems, I could pass my old box controller to the new Mini. And believe it or not, a while ago, sorry about the video, I purchased, sorry about the video, but this little gizmo, which is basically a Bluetooth USB port on, that allows me to sync the bog standard old fashioned controller to it. So basically this now using the controller now, as you can see, gives me full access, if I can get that, to all the games on the Mini, and allow me to change that. I'm trying to do it all in one go. So if I just come across now and go back, sorry about this, to the button, I've just scored, and you can actually see now I've actually got full control of the game using both the D-pad and the actual joystick controller. So the games I've tried so far, just exceeded another goal. So basically, whoops, sorry, this is getting very poor amateuristic. So what you need off eBay, a Bluetooth plugged into the socket on the back of my Mini, box standard controller. I actually purchased this from charity, about £3.50. Plug it in, move it up, and I've got full control of the Xbox controller. I hope this video at least gives you some idea on how to have a little bit of a hack. Sorry about the game video, but enjoy your gaming.